But the point is that now that we've reconnected after having worked for a bit and then our differences and stuff, we started on a fresh note. It feels good. So I'm looking forward to meeting up and catching up with you and stuff. Thanks for your wishes once again. And thanks for it did resonate with me that I'd created history and stuff. So a few people said if you got the award, which is the second highest in the country and stuff, it definitely is history. So I belong to the same school of creating history and stuff. So thank you for all your best wishes. The lady out there who met me in the same forum, who told me last time, I wish you many more accolades and good work and stuff like that. I hope I'm able to live up to the expectations. So, anyways, the message is not about awards and certificates and stuff. It's also about kind of taking care of yourself and stuff and how you're feeling. And for creative and intelligent people, you got to do these little things to kind of help you unwind and stuff. And remember, misery loves to repeat itself by not wanting you to be happy and stuff. And if you really want to be happy and stuff, you got to be in the company of friends and family and stuff. And you don't have to be fixated on the people you knew from the past. There's so many people you meet daily and stuff. So when you try and have a conversation with them, you definitely make friends and stuff. Some of them may not be even in touch with you, and they come up with this thing that I'm not so good in messaging and keeping in touch and stuff. So for me, that's an excuse. You got to work on your skills and stuff. And where there's a will, there's a way, kind of a thingy. But generally, some people may not be in touch and stuff. But it doesn't take in today's world more than half a minute to even connect and stuff. So if you care for somebody, show it around, let it out, voice it out and stuff. After all, what does the world need? The world needs more of caring. The world needs more of joy. The world needs more of comfort, getting together, spending time, and knowing that we all belong in a circle, in a community. And it's always a good idea to kind of let your hair down and catch up with friends and family and stuff. Even if it is around work, great. Even if it's all work, great. So Diwali, Christmas, New Year gives everybody this opportunity and time to connect and stuff. So make the best use of it and stuff, and enjoy yourself and keep sending out prayers to anybody and everybody. You never know where the prayer works, how the prayer works, because there's so many miracles and so many blessings happen when you actually send out positivity and good vibrations. And when your intention is clear, the universe does respond. Okay, so love and luck and take care and have fun. Lots of joy to everybody and blessings to everybody. And do try the tip. Only four five items. It doesn't take too much of a time to kind of look after your environment and look after yourself and stuff. You don't have to depend on anybody. And you can use this also as a tip in your washrooms and stuff, or in your kitchen spaces and everything. I was watching some videos on TV right now, and some of the houses are so beautiful, and I saw a lot of stuff which is already there in my portfolio in a lot of international houses and everywhere. So if you really want to stay enthused and excited about your work, you got to look at more stuff related to that, and not get hung up or caught up in somebody else's drama, or promoting whatever their agenda is all about and stuff. So the choice lies with you. You want to increase your intellect, you want to increase your knowledge, you want to increase your acumen, and you want to kind of take your career forward, or you do want to engage in frivolous stuff and useless stuff and waste your time and energy on all of that. So the choice is with you. So before you compare how far people are going, know the reality that they work hard, they educate themselves, they learn, and they're forever consistently delivering and stuff. That's how the magic happens. It doesn't happen otherwise. So love and luck and take care, have fun, have a blast, enjoy, and thank you once again for writing in. And cheers to you on a lovely chai. The cup says you're braver, smarter, and stronger than you think. Connect with people who are doing more than you. I'm not saying compete in a way or look down on yourself and stuff, but take inspiration from them. And you'll know that there are a lot of people who can help you to kind of get out of your comfort zone and your limited thinking and stuff. And only one way of looking at certain situations and stuff. So love and luck and take care, have fun. I'll be sharing the pictures. So happy Diwali once again to all my friends, family, my colleagues, my cousins, my relatives and my neighbors and my associates and my global friends and stuff and ministers from the other countries and everything. Thank you so much for your messages. It means a lot, and I reciprocate the same. And for those who not be able to respond to me, I understand you're taken in by something or the other. But whenever we meet, let's wish each other and celebrate the forthcoming festivals and stuff. So love and luck. Cheers, stay positive, stay excited, be joyful, and be mindful about the stuff that you kind of absorb. Oh, I have a message from a person I was thinking about. So love and luck and take care, have fun and have a blast. Bye bye. Cheers.